Starting off by lining 4 sheets of 9mm ply so they can be cut together. I then use a track saw to trim them to length. This length is to fit the pergola that they're going to go into. Next, I draw out a leaf design. I tried a few different ones and took a little while to get it how I thought it would look alright. But this is basically the process. This is sketched out onto some 3mm ply. I then cut it out with a jigsaw so I could use it as a template for drawing the design onto the sheets of ply. Next, I'd put a border around the sheet. This is going to be the margins of the design and allow space for fixing it into the pergola in due course. I then use the leaf cutout to draw out where I'm going to cut. The leaf was just positioned randomly and I flipped it over to change the orientation. This will be a case of tracing over the template but not overlapping it with the previous ones. This was the largest sheet I used, which was a central panel. I did 5 different panels all told, but the others were a bit smaller. Next job was to cut out all the holes. So I started off by drilling a 10mm hole to fit the jigsaw blade through, and then it's just a case of cutting it out. This took some time, as you can imagine. Cutting them out, I ran over them quickly with some sandpaper to knock off the rough edges. The underside in particular was quite ragged in places. I then moved on to painting. Painting was quite a fiddly job, as there were lots of edges. The screens were given 2 coats of paint as per the recommendation on the tin. Installation, I first removed the trim at the base of the legs, measured the offset and put a batten to fix the screens to. These are then simply screwed in place. I used a section of roofing batten to help brace the joint. These are screwed in from the back so that the screw heads didn't show from the front. It was a bit tricky to reach them from behind, but there was just enough space to get in there. Once the 3 back panels were installed, I added 2 short side panels, though I didn't film these going in. And here's the finished result. If this video has been useful to you, please do like and subscribe, and check back for more content in the future. Thanks for watching.